Never get sick of that cold start noise. Actually, it wasn't even a cold start. It's kind of warm right now. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's getting a little bit late here where I'm at, but today we're going over to V1 Boosted Bunny's house because we're doing an install on 86 Alley's 86, and we're putting some Vland headlights in there. I have some of my tools. I'm assuming they all have their own tools, and we're gonna just, let's get it done. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as possible, make it look good, do some stuff that I want to do to make it look better, and I think it's gonna be a good looking video today. The headlights are like the BRZ style headlights, and they're gonna look really, really good on this car, and I'm really excited to see how it looks. His car already looks aggressive, and it's just gonna make it look more aggressive. I think it's gonna like tie a lot of things together. I think he needs to change out his taillights, but that's just what I think. But we're gonna go head over there. Maybe I'll do a little bit of driving footage just to spice things up a little bit, but we'll see how it goes, because right now there's a lot of traffic right now, and traffic isn't fun to sit in. Disclosure, if you have Vland headlights, they don't come with bulbs, so make sure you have those before doing anything.
I just now noticed I had a screwdriver that's supposed to be in the back of my car.
Not bad for the headlight tint. I hate these things.
Unless the passenger sides on these are different. Going on, and I'm like, oh.
Yeah, it just hinges up.
Shit.
Funny. Turn it on?
No,
it's not plugged in yet.
Like how?
Alright.
I think I gotta plug this white one into this white one.
Turn it on?
Yeah. Not on, not started, just...
Accessory mode.
I think I got this.
But you can't turn it on because you don't have your clutch in anyways.
Alright, ready?
Hit turn.
One click?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Other way.
Go ahead.
Lights on?
Now. Turn lights on.
Alright, so that part came on.
Now turn your four ways on. I hear it clicking.
Yeah, it's not working.
Alright, so this one has to go back to that one.
Turn it off?
No, you're good.
Yeah, and now the boomerang's not on either.
The boomerang's on now.
Now it's on. Why is that blinking?
Why is that blinking? That's what I'm saying.
Wait, try your turn signal.
Hold on. I'm messing with the wires now. The opposite one. See what this one does.
It's kind of sick like that though, but it's not right.
So that went off. That's right.
For your four ways on, it should be yellow though, shouldn't it?
Yes.
Turn them off and put your turn signal on.
I can turn this on. I can turn it off.
Put it in accessory mode. Is it in accessory mode?
So
your fan should turn on.
Okay. So
that's not right.
No.
That's not right.
That's turn signal.
That's turn signal.
It's turn signal.
That should be weight. Now I gotta figure out what this weight goes to here. That's what's controlling everything. What is this? That's just one of those.
Alright, see if it works this time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think that's it.
Yeah, those wires gotta be switched.
Alright, so now we gotta figure out.
Yeah, because if you're turning them on, if you're in your parking lights, the boomerang should be on and those should be off.
Now we gotta figure the wire. That's what I had to do with that one. It's his turn signal, which one is boomerang and which one.
Right now, the wires need to be switched so the boomerangs don't blink when the turn signal's on.
Try it now.
3, 2, 1.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right.
What about your turn signal?
Now, do your turn signal
Or
or
flasher.
yeah, there you go. And it's sequentialing.
Woo, that was easier. I thought I had mine. Mine, I literally had to repin complete.
Oh, they look good.
I just gotta remember which.
Headlights are in.
Yeah, the headlights are in. Woo. Start again.
So I think this one was regular and that one wasn't switched. Maybe that one was fine.
I gotta go yellow to yellow.
I get the boomerang on.
Nope, it's the other way. It's white to red.
There you go.
I had it right. I just don't think I had it plugged in.
Dude, this thing looks so good.
I'm so excited.
You have your high beams on? Yeah.
Boys.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, it looks fucking dope.
Your tails in the back, how are they looking? Are they doing? I guess they're working fine because they're LEDs.
But like, it just making sure nothing like super blanks or anything, because then you would need resistors or something.
Well, his four-ways on it. His.
True.
You're gonna have to turn your key on accessory and turn the turn signal.
Alright, there you go. It's perfect.
Try the right one.
They should both work. Oh shit!
Bumper.
No, that was the
glass.
the light just turned off. I'm happy I just, as soon as I put it under there, that happened though.
No, that's not good.
Oh man, it's literally standing up. I mean, you still got two of them in there. That's pretty gross. Cool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I really like that look.
I need to. Go.
Yeah. Adjust these things. So I didn't get to say bye to the vlog or finish anything last night because when I got home I was way too tired because we got done a lot later than expected. Now I want to put a little disclaimer thing. So if you guys are going to be doing like a Vland swap or just a headlight swap in general for your car, I would advise you guys to not to make sure you plug it in the headlight before you button everything down, just to make make sure everything works. Because if we just buttoned everything down yesterday, we would have had problems. We had to repin the harness on the new headlight because the boomerang and the turn signal wires were switched for some reason. Only on one of them though. So we had to switch those out and then everything worked pretty good. And I wanted to try a new style because it wasn't me and my car I was working on, it was someone else working on a different car. And I wanted to do more of like a slow-mo, B-roll type thing, kind of editing for it. So let me know what you guys thought about that entire style behind it. Or do you guys like when I'm more explaining things and more vlogging about it and more talking about things? Because I mean, I want to cater to you guys because you guys are the ones watching my content. So I don't think this is gonna be the last install with these guys. There's probably gonna be a lot more coming with them. You know, always working on their cars, always willing to help each other, just always doing car stuff. But I'm gonna leave you guys off here today. Sorry I didn't finish it when it was dark time. I don't know if you guys even care about that. But yeah, I was just way too tired when I got back last night. And then this video was supposed to go out as my Saturday video, but again, I got back late last night, so I didn't get to edit it. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So if you guys can please do me a favor, comment, like, big thing, subscribing. Keep doing you guys. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out. Peace.